So in this example, I actually want to go back to what we did in example number 2, and I want to find the determinant once again, just now using a different column, just to kind of show that we are going to get the same answers. So if you recall, this was what we did in our last example, and we got the answer of 4. So when we do this again, we should get that same answer 4. So instead of doing the first column, I'm now going to do the second column. And what I'm stating is that whether you do the first, second, or third column, or first, second, or third row, you will get the same answer for every single time. Okay? So that's my proposition. And let's go ahead and do it about the second column right here. Okay? So I'm going to be using this column. So those would be my coefficients, my lead numbers. And this right here are my signs. Okay, so I'm going to use both of those things here as I work this problem out. Great, so let's start with our first number. And again, I have to cross out, right? So I have to go ahead and cross out this entire line right here. So I know that my first number is -1, right? So I do, now watch this though. So the first number is negative, so it's negative times a -1. Okay, so this number is -1, but our first sign is negative. Okay, so I'm going to multiply that by, and notice that I have my determinant here. I have 2, 3, and 2, 5. Okay, so that means that's going to be my determinant. Oh, I should probably write that like this then. Okay, so determinant of 2, 2, 3, 5. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and move this down now. And now I'm using 4. Okay, so 4 now should be positive. There's 4, so I'm going to do +4. And now I have 0, 0, and 3, 5. 0, 0, and 3, 5. Okay, and if I move down one more time, I'm using 1, but again, 1 now has to have a negative sign in front of it. So it's going to be -1 times the determinant of 0, 0, 2, 2. 0, 0, 2, 2. Okay, so now we just go ahead and multiply this all together now. So this is just 1 times 2 times 5 is 10, minus 3 times 2 is 6, plus 4 times 0 times 5 is 0, 3 times 0 is 0. And then -1 times, again, 0 times 2 minus 0 times 2, so that's just 0 minus 0. We do all this work here. 10 minus 6 is just 4. That's just 0. And that's just 0. So the answer, again, is just 4, which is exactly what we got in the previous example. So feel free to do the third column, the first row, second row, third row. We always get the same answer.